Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sufian bin Saiful Azrin. I am from class A4CS1104B. My matrix number is 2020460902. Now I am going to show the register page for our group project. So firstly, we need to input the name, and then we need to input the IC number, and then we need to input the email, and lastly, we need to input the password. As you can see, there are two buttons here, sign up button and clear button. If I click the clear button, it will reset back the form. And if I click the sign up button, it will show that the registration is successful. And if I want to go back to the login page, I just need to click this, and it will go back to the login page. Now I am going to show the database. As you can see here, the database have not been updated. I need to click the refresh. After I click the refresh, the data have been updated. So that is all for register page. Now I am going to show the menu page for admin. So first we need to enter the admin email, and then we need to enter the password, and then we click the login button. As you can see, this is the menu page for admin. There are two buttons here, search and log out. If we click the search button, it will allow the admin to search the customer in our system. So first, the system will ask the admin to enter the customer IC number, and then we click search. So this is the customer details, the customer IC number, the customer name, the customer email, and the customer password. So here there are two buttons, update button and delete button. So we're going to try the update button first. Okay, it will show that the data has been successfully updated. So we will click the menu button to go back to the admin menu page. And I'm going to show the database has been updated. This is the database before update. This is the database after have been updated. So now we're going to try the delete button. As you can see, the system will show that the data have been successfully deleted. The data have been deleted. Now I am going to show the logout button. The logout button will allow the system to go back to the login page. So that is all for menu page for admin. Thank you very much for listening.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Danial bin Zorkarnain, student ID 2020-815-026, and today I will be showing you the process of logging in our website. As you can see, I have added my details onto the local database, and now all I have to do is just enter my email and my password. And now I have entered the website. That is all for me. We'll go on to the next person.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Zulkifli. I am student from CS1104B. So today I would like to present about our group project for subject CSC264 in this semester. So our group have decided to make a food delivery system because nowadays we just click and pay through online system if we want something or anything. So that's the reason why we choose this system. So let's move on to the coding page first. So first, the title that we put is S.H.A food delivery, and then we have to put the rel link is style sheet, and the type is text or CSS, and the reference is from star.css. It is for setup or add the colors, background and interface. and move to the next one. We do the same rel and type, but another reference to import the icon from cloudflare.com. Besides, this is all the reference that link with the media social of S.H.A food delivery, which is the Facebook, Instagram and email. And then this is the class container for user to click option whether want to go to home, about, menu or logout. Last but not least, this is the section for background image and the text for our menu. So this is our interface for main page. If the user click about, they will bring us to the about page, and if the user click the menu, they will bring us to the menu page, and lastly, if the user click logout, they will bring us to the login page again. So that's all from me. Next, I will pass the presentation to the next presenter. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aliff Haiqal Ajis. I'm from class CS1104B. My matrix number is 2026196338, and I am about to show you our about page for our website. So in our previous progress video, we have shown you the different pages that we have, and for this particular page there has not been many changes, but I'm going to show you everything all over again. So at the top here we have our title, of course, and the slogan, S.H.A Food, the name of our company, and then we have this menu bar, which when we click you can see that it actually does work. And at the top here we have the objective of our business, which is in its own section. We have our own company history, the struggles that we have experienced in the past, especially when we first started the business. And over here we have the frequently asked questions, which I think is needed for this kind of page. So if our customers have some questions that needs to be answered, and some other people have asked these questions before, they can find their answers here. And at the bottom here we can see our team, and yeah, we can see our profile pictures, our names, our positions in the company, and then some description about what we actually do in the company. Here we have our email, so if you want to contact us you can just refer to that, or you can just click on this button here, which will open the email app on your laptop or phone, whatever. So that button actually does work now. At the bottom here we have our phone number, our company's phone number, and our email, so if you want to reach out to us using that, you can. And before we end this, we will have a quick look at the coding. So these are the different elements, the different CSS styles that we use in the page. So this is the FAQ, the different sections of our profile here, and that's about it. For our about page there has not been many changes, but yeah, that's all that I can show you. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sofian dari NorAzhar, and my matrix number is 2020863262. And today I'm gonna present about the menu page, add to cart page, and payment page. As we can see here, this is a interface for our S.H. food menu page. There are several food in here. And this is coding for the menu page. And for this menu page, we're using a JavaScript, user menu JavaScript, and this is our JavaScript. To test it out, for example, I want to choose some food and put into the cart. So I pick some spaghetti bolognese and then tom yum or some chicken chop. As you can see, when we add to cart, that's a notification here at the cart label, and when we click here, there are add to cart page here that show the food that we choose, and then here at the payment page. When we click the payment page, it will brought us to the payment page, and here we just fill in the form. And we click confirm. And it will go us to the WhatsApp to make the payment with the owner. And that's it for the this presentation. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Danial. My student ID is 2020-815-026, and today I'll show you the login and sign up process of the app of our S.H.A food online delivery. In order to sign up, we have to input the email and the password, and then press the sign up button. And then after that, we fill the details, and then we press the login button. And here's the code that is created in order to make the login page. Okay, I guess that is all from me. Let's move on to the next person.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Hafiz bin Zulkifli. I am student from CSC264B. So today I would like to present about our group project for subject CSC264 in this semester. So our group have decided to make a food delivery system because nowadays everything just click and pay by online system if you want something or anything. That is the reason and the big why we choose this food delivery system. So basically, like we can see, this is our main page. We have a menu button, about button and logout button. If we click menu button, they will bring us to menu page. For about button, we will go to about page, and lastly, the system will be logged out if the user click logout button. And next, so basically this is the coding for main page. We have button 1, button 2 and button 3. Button 1 stands for menu page, button 2 stands for about page, and button 3 stands for logout page. So that's all from me. Next, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aliff Haiqal Ajis. I am from class CS1104B. My matrix number is 20261968, and I'm about to show you about our about page. So as you can see here, our about page is separated into several sections. The first one is our objective, and then the next one is our company history, the struggles that we have experienced in the past. Then you have the frequently asked questions as usual. Then those are the questions that are frequently asked by our users. So if they want to check it out, they can. So whenever they feel lost or anything and they need answers, they can just look at our about page and hopefully they will be able to solve their problem quickly and efficiently. At the bottom there we have the back button, which will get us back to the main page. So that's all for the about page, and right now we're gonna look at the coding. So yeah, this is the only thing that we have for this page. This is basically the coding block for the button that we saw just now. And since that's all for the about page, I'm gonna let this go to the next presenter in our group. That is all from me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sofian bin NorAzhar, and my matrix number is 2020 at 3262, and I gonna present about the menu page. As we can see, this is our interface for the menu page, and this is our menu feature. There are total of 9 of them, and this is our list, and this is our card. As we can see here, the coding of the menu page block. There are the list speaker, chicken chop. This will happen when the user click the chicken chop list, and they will display the chicken chop and the total of the price. This is also to the menu too. And here is our add to cart button, and this button we go to the add to cart page, and this one is a back button. We go to the main page. And next is a add to cart page. When the user have enter the item that they like or they want to choose, they will display the item at the list view function. And here the coding block for the add to cart. And here is the next button. If we proceed to the delivery info page, and this is a back button. We go to the menu page. Then the next page is a delivery information. The user must input their name, phone number, and the address number to make sure the food will be delivered to the location. And this is block coding. And when the user click the button, we go to the payment page. And here is the payment page. The user must choose the one of the chosen choice, which is the cash on delivery and the online payment method. If the customer or user choose the cash on delivery, it will proceed to the cash on delivery page. And if the user choose the online option, it will go to online page. And here the coding for the payment page. As you can see, this is an online page. The user must put their name and their card number, and then they can proceed to the order button. And this is the coding of the online page. And lastly, the cash on delivery page. This happen when the transaction is done. If the user choose the cash on delivery, we continue to the proceed to delivery, and they will cash on face to face. This apply to online first, and then it will continue to delivery page. And that's for it from me, and I will give this presentation for the next presenter. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Sufian. I am from class A4CS1104B. My matrix number is 2020460902. So now I'm going to show the full progress for our group project food online ordering system. So firstly, the register page. The system will ask the user to enter the email, and then we need to enter the password, and then we click the sign up button. After we click the sign up button, the system will send a verification email to my Google email account. So I need to verify it first. Okay, after I have verified my email and my account, all I need to do is click the login button. And now the system will show the main page for our group project. So there are three buttons: the menu button, the about button, and the logout button. So now I'm going to show the menu button first. So this is the menu page for our group project. There are various types of menu and food that the user can choose. So I'm going to choose the first item, and then I'm going to click this, and then the food will be added into the cart. I'm going to choose another item. So there are two items in our cart. So when I click the cart button, show the add to cart page. So next I'm going to click the next button. So this is the delivery information for the user. So this is the payment page. There are two options for the user to choose: cash on delivery payment and online payment. So firstly, I'm going to choose the cash on delivery payment. And I'm going to click the order button, and it will bring me to this page. This means that the order have been created. So I'm going to click the back to main page. So I'm going to show the About button next. So this is the About button. This is about us for our group project. There is objective, history, the struggle, and some FAQ questions. I'm going to show the payment method for online. Now I'm going to choose the online payment method. So the system will ask for the owner's name and the card number. Lastly, the system will show that the order is on delivery. So now I'm going to show the logout button. So if I click the logout button, the system will go back to the login page. So that is all for our group project. Thank you very much for listening.